అందరూ బాగున్నారా? ఇప్పుడు మనం మళ్ళీ మన పీకే స్మార్ట్ లెర్నింగ్లోని ఇంగ్లీష్లోని పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్ అంటే మనం పార్ట్ 1 ఆల్రెడీ చేసాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు పార్ట్ 2 చేస్తున్నాం గైస్. ఇప్పుడు మనం పార్ట్ 1లో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? నౌన్స్, ప్రొనౌన్స్, అడ్జెక్టివ్స్ అండ్ వర్బ్స్. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ మనకు అంటే పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ స్పీచ్లో 8 ఉన్నాయి కదా. మనం జస్ట్ పార్ట్ 1లో వి జస్ట్ లర్న్ 4. మిగతా 4 ఏంటి? యాడ్వర్బ్, కంజంక్షన్, ఇంటర్జెక్షన్, ప్రిపోజిషన్స్. ఇవి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్తోని, టైప్స్తోని, దాని డెఫినేషన్స్తోని మనం నేర్చుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఇంకా ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అన్ని బేస్డ్ మీద మనకి ఒక ప్రాక్టీస్ షీట్ లాగా కూడా ఉంటుంది గైస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ విత్ అవర్ యాడ్వర్బ్. Okay guys, first we are going to start with a adverb. Now first, what is adverb? It is a word that modifies or describes a verb, adjective and another adverb and whole sentence. Okay guys, ఇప్పుడు అంటే you can know that it describes a verb, adjective and adverb itself and a whole sentence. Okay guys, now we will go with another point, that is it provides more information about the action in a sentence. See guys, now first of all, what do you mean by adjective? Adjective will describe noun and pronoun. Now it describes noun and pronoun, right? Okay, adjective describes a noun as well as a pronoun. Like that means noun and pronoun means she is beautiful, like that. Same that formula you can keep in the adverb. It is also describes a verb as well as an adjective and the adverb itself. Okay guys, next you can take an example for it. Such we will take example as quickly. See here how it is an adverb, we will check here. Okay guys, see the example is quickly. Then what is here? Quick is a verb. It is describing that quickly. Okay, now if it is somewhat difficult to understand, with the sentence we can easily understand it, like she talks loudly. Here loud is a verb, means it is describing it, how she talks loudly. It is describing the verb. Okay, then another thing is she walks slowly, means how she walks slowly, means here walks is a verb. It is describing how she walks. Here talks is a verb. Okay, like quickly, she runs quickly. For example, here quickly we can take she runs quickly. Then runs is a verb. It is describing it, how she runs quickly. Okay, like that. And next is, there's many of the adverbs ends with ly. See how we see here, right? Many of the adverbs ends with ly. Quickly, slowly, loudly, they end with that ly. Okay, next is it answers the questions. How? when, where, why. Okay, we will just see here. Here, how. How she talks loudly. How she walks slowly. Like that, it answers the questions. We have many when, where, and why also. We will see the examples. Okay, then the adverbs are classified into many types. Classified into manner, adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree, and conjunction adverbs. You have conjunction adverbs, and you have interrogative adverbs. You have interrogative adverbs. Okay, now we will take some examples of everything. Now, manners. Adjective of manners. For example, you can take as quickly, slowly. There it's manner, how she walks, how she talks, like that. And next, time. Now, then, soon. Like that, they describe about the time, in which time period. Then place. Example, here, there, anywhere. Means it describes the places. Okay. Then frequency. See example like always, never. You know the meaning of frequency, right? Like that, these are some types, and you have degree also. Degree means not that degree. The examples of degree. Now some examples of degree like very, extremely. Means degree like degree Celsius. Type of that. Can quite. Okay. Then next you have that. Next what do you have? We have manners we completed. Then we have conjunction adverbs. What do you mean by conjunction adverbs? Now actually we'll learn conjunctions, then you can understand conjunction adverbs. First we will see what are conjunction adverbs. Okay. Now conjunction, like you will have therefore, means like conjunctions only with adverb which connect the both sentences. However, moreover. Okay guys, are you getting it? Then next, interrogative. Interrogative means, do you know interrogative? What first you have to know what do you mean by interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means questioning sentences. Like that, interrogative adjectives, also adverbs are also questioning one. How, where, when. Okay, did you got my point? Now in adverb, what we learn, guys? We learned definition, we learned everything. See, we have some type, and I told examples also. Okay, then this all we learn. Now next topic of our is conjunction. Conjunction means what? A word that connects other words, phrases, or clause in a sentence. means like easily you can know that we join two sentence. You can take the examples of conjunction: once, since, so that, but, and, or, means which connects or which joins two sentences. Okay guys, we will take an example for this, like the novel is very interesting. The movie based on the novel is also interesting. Now in this, which conjunction you have to write that. Now these both are different sentences. Like you can say the novel is very interesting. This is one sentence. And next, the movie based on the novel is also interesting. This is second sentence. Now with the help of conjunction we can join this sentence, like the novel is interesting and the movie based on it is also interesting. Now before there are two sentences. Now when we use a conjunction, this is only one sentence. Now conjunction is used in this type. Okay. Now we have types in it also, like coordinating, subordinating, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Okay. These are some types of conjunctions. Now we will learn its definitions and everything. Okay, first one is coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Okay, now coordinating conjunctions means these connect words, phrases, or independent clauses. Means this coordinating conjunction means which connect. Okay, which connect. For example, you can take and, but, or, were. Now we already saw how and connected two sentences here. Okay, how and connected two sentences. But means I like that color, but I did not bought that dress. Okay, and or, like do you want to go to movie or park, like that. It connect two sentences. Okay. Next is subordinating. Subordinating conjunctions are like these: introduce, subordinate clause, which depend on a main clause. As we know that we have a clause means which contain both a subject as well as verb, and in a clause you will have a subordinate and a main clause. Main clause means it is just main. In the sentence it is main, and the subordinate clause means the subordinate clause depends on main clause. Then only it will get a meaningful. Then the sentence will be meaningful, and the subordinate did not have any meaning, and main clause will have meaning. Now subordinating that formula you keep in this conjunction, then you will get the answers. Okay, for example, you can see after, all through, because. Okay, now next you have correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. Now what do you mean by correlative conjunction? Correlative conjunctions, they work in pairs to connect related elements. To connect related elements. Okay, you can take example as either I'll go to park or I'll go to movie, like that. Neither means which connect any related, means either and nor you used in a sentence. The both are conjunction, but we used in a sentence, means the both will relate it, like that, relating. Did you understand what I'm going to tell you? Now we completed our conjunctions. I thought you understand. I hope you understand what do you mean by conjunctions. Now we will go to interjection. Okay guys, what do you mean by interjection? Interjection is a word or a phrase. Now phrase means which contains a subject or a verb. It is called phrase, and which contains subject as well as verb is called as a clause. Okay, express emotion means which express emotions or feelings rather than meaning. They did not have any meaning. This interjection will not have meaning, but they express feelings and emotions. Okay, rather than meaning means, like, see, like you can take like book have a meaning, pencil have a meaning, but this interjection will not have any meaning. Okay, now you can see examples and you can understand. Oh, did oh have any meaning? Wow, did wow we can set like it is a meaning? No, it is an expression, or it is a emotion, or it is a feeling. My goodness, like that. Oh my god. Okay, did you understand what I am going to tell you? Then next, they are set off by exclamatory mark, exclamation points, commas, etc. Exclamation means this. Okay, wow, what a nice building. For example, wow, what a nice building. Okay, see here, wow is end with exclamatory marks, and this is a interjection. Hope you understand this. And again, conjunctions are divided into two types. Interjection are divided into two types: primary interjection and secondary interjections. Okay, primary and secondary. First, we will learn what do you mean by primary. Primary interjection are, these are interjections. Yeah, these are interjections that connect that cannot, sorry guys, that cannot be used in any other grammatical role. Means this will not be used in any grammatical role. Like they are a short type of phrases. They are short phrases. For example, you can see ho. How can you connect ho in a grammar? Wow. How can you connect a wow in grammar? You cannot, right? That does mean primary interjection. Now, secondary interjection. Secondary interjection means these are words or phrases. Words or phrases that typically function as another part of speech. Means they can be they are type of functions. They can function as another type of parts of speech, like a noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb. They can function to that, but the primary interjection cannot be used in a grammar only. Okay, did you understand? They can be single words or multi-word phrases. Now, by using the phrase, by the examples, you can easily understand. Excuse me. This is an interjection, but this can be used in another parts of speech also, right? It is used to get someone attention, but primary interjection cannot be used in any grammar only. Did you understand? Next, you can take hello. Hello is used for greeting. Okay. Now we are going to our next eighth topic, prepositions. Last topic, prepositions. What do you mean by prepositions? First, we are learning from our previous classes. It is a word or a group of words. It is a word or a group of words that shows how words relate to each other. Means it showed a relation. It show the prepositions show relation each other in a sentence. Okay, I hope you understand the sentence what I told here. Okay, and by simple you can say as, what do you mean by preposition? Means it indicate time, place, direction. Did you understand what I'm going to tell here? Now, you take some examples like in, at, on, by, of, after, under, below, and across, like that. Okay, these are some prepositions. Means which tell some time or which show relation. Which show some relationship between. Which show a relationship between places, people, and as well as things. Okay, now we have types in prepositions. Now what are those types? We will say like time. Means prepositions indicates time. Means not type, it indications. You can say indications. Places, direction, compound, and participle. Okay. Now first we'll go with time. Now time means, what do you mean? You can see the examples for time like before, after, during. These are some examples of time. And next, place. Place like around, between, below, like the among. These are some places. And like direction. Direction means like across, up, down. They are like direction, not like east, west, south, north. Across, up, down, right, left. Okay. Then you have compound. Compound means it is type of combination of two meaningful words, two or more prepositional words. Okay, like inwards, upwards. And you'll have participle. Participle are the verbs that also function as prepositions. Means you will say present participle, past participle. They're actually verbs, but they can also function as prepositions too, such as considering, and including. Examples. There are some examples including or regarding. Okay, guys. And now I'll write here some sentences, and you have to guess what is the preposition in it. Like, the cat is on the mat. A cat is on the mat. Next, she arrived at 5 p.m. Next, the book is under the table. The book is under the table. Next, we travel by train. Since morning I am waiting. I am waiting. Now you have to find what are the prepositions here. We'll start finding. The cat is on the mat. Here on. On will show what? On shows here. On shows the place. On will show the place. Like, where is the cat? Cat is on the mat. Means it shows the relation on that thing. And she arrived at 5. It is a time. And the book is under the table. It is also like place. Okay, guys. And next, we travel by train. By is also a preposition. And next, since morning. Since indicates here time. Like this, all parts of speech type of this you will get some practice sheet in another video. Okay, we will see the questions, we will understand the questions, as well as we will solve the questions and we'll answer the questions there itself. Okay, by this we completed our parts of speech chapter or a topic. Now we will go to another topic, like we have mini grammar topics. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, guys, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.